Hey Sarah, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips for you. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Really putting yourself in a really authoric position, really detailed in what you do, how you do it, bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords. Those keywords are what you're actually trying to be found for. Excuse me. Even all these images, what they're saved as, it's all content. You can actually you got home advantage refrigeration, you got your name in there. I would just keep that inside your logo, and then put keywords, buyers intent keywords behind those images. That'll just make a huge difference with your rankings. Sorry, I'm just gonna plug this in real quick. So now if I just go inside of Google. So if I go inside of Google here and type in a heating and repair Panama City, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these to help. They're trying to replace these old school ads that they put on the bottom. These old school ads became very spammy. A lot of people put up ad blockers, and people have been going away with ads and all to all general because of all those spammy phone calls, and they get pretty pricey too. I've seen these ads anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click. Really depends on some of these areas. So they do get pretty pricey. Imagine paying one or two clicks every single day on that. That they're not even getting services. Anyway, underneath those ads, this is this little map section here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations for the rankings. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section, it's going to be dealing with all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and to get yourself there is going to really be dealing with that all that authoric content, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it, really. So if I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 4 referring domains, 8 backlinks, which is pushing back about 47 keywords. You get 31 clicks on average to your website. This is your backlinking here. It looks like you started back in 2013. Kind of played up and down journey there. Anyway, showing you one of your competitors there. This is Ridge AC. Showing you what they got going on. Put them inside of Ahrefs. Now, they don't have a heck of a lot more than you. They got 21 referring domains, 136 backlinks. They do have really good backlinks, authoric backlinks, I should say. So they got 65 keywords that are being found for. So in all total, they're getting 97 clicks to their site every month. Showing you where these clicks are actually coming from. They're really good. They're really good quality. Buyers intents. Shows you their position. They have a lot of first. There's a couple fourth, second, and third positions in there. But showing you what they're actually ranking for. Air conditioning Panama City FL. There's 27 clicks out of the 70 clicks from that one keyword. So that's a really good ratio. AC repair Panama City FL, there's another 100 clicks. Air conditioning repair Panama City FL, another 90 clicks. Their name, air conditioning Panama City, another 100 clicks. So really coming in, making sure we find all these keywords that's really going to bring in that quality traffic. Also making sure we're in a good position so we get a decent amount of that traffic from that volume of each keyword is really crucial, really important. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan to help you get there. Feel free to reach back out or at least give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.